Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these Keto Strawberry Muffins. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started with this super easy muffin recipe. It is my basic muffin recipe that I use for all of my muffins. It consists of 2½ cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 cup of granulated sweetener. I'm going to stir up the dry. And my favorite almond flour is Blue Diamond almond flour. I love it. You can get it on Amazon in a big bag. It's the best almond flour. And if you want to use coconut flour instead of almond flour, you could do 1 cup of coconut flour. And instead of, the recipe calls for 3 eggs with the almond flour, but for coconut flour, you would use 4 eggs. So you just replace the almond flour with 1 cup of coconut flour, and then you use 4 eggs. So we're gonna add 3 beaten eggs because we're using almond flour. And we're gonna add 8 ounces of plain Greek yogurt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, that is the base for the muffin recipe. So now you could add whatever you want. You could add blueberries, raspberries, chocolate chips. You could add literally any mix in that you want, nuts, anything. Today, we're gonna use a cup of chopped strawberries. So we're gonna mix that in. And how pretty does that batter look? Okay, now we're going to dish this out into 12 muffins. We've got muffin liners, and then we spray the muffins with liners with cooking spray. And I'm going to use this 3 tablespoon scoop and evenly scoop out the batter into my muffin cups. Okay, these are ready for the oven. They're gonna bake in a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, here are the muffins out of the oven, and they look so amazing. And because we sprayed our wrappers, it comes off super easily, just like that. Let's break one open and look at all the strawberries. Let's try a bite. So good. So much strawberry flavor. You're gonna love this recipe, so be sure you check it out. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.